that.
What?
Daddy messed up a little bit.
I don't know yet. I think it should be a cheat.
No, honey, I don't want you guys getting anything creepy.
Okay.
Okay, so what are you gonna get? Can you get a dinosaur? Huh? You want her to do a dinosaur? Just tell her you don't want a scary dinosaur. You want a nice dinosaur. What are you gonna get, Joshua?
Like a stegosaurus. A stegosaurus.
You don't want one?
No.
River, are you gonna get your face painted? Do you want a flower? Or a flower? Or a butterfly? Or a birdie?
What is it?
Oh, your face is
With
so
the
cool.
huge neck. That
Brontosaurus.
brachiosaurus.
Hold on, I want to see
I want a
River.
brachiosaurus. A brachiosaurus. I want a brachiosaurus. That's what I want.
Well, I don't know if she can do one of those. You can just ask her if she can do any dinosaurs. Oh, back up, back up, back up. I think it might
I asked her if she can do
tell Joshua not to hit on the table.
Joshua, don't do that.
Isaac, you're gonna don't walk in front of the video. In front of the iPad, honey. Hey guys, River, come back guys. Because we'll be here for a long time. We'll let the other people go first because we're going to be here all night.
We are.
Okay.